When a customer wants to spend more money and build a bigger engine, the answer is always an emphatic yes. That was recently the case at Engine Rebuilders and Supply Inc., an engine machine shop in Stone Park, Illinois, owned by Andy Frontzak. Engine Rebuilders and Supply has been in business since 1940 and does engine work for antiques, muscle cars, diesels, motorcycles, and marine applications. When a customer came in with a Pontiac 389 engine project, Andy was happy to help. However, the customer ended up having the wrong cylinder heads for the engine, and instead of going any further with it and finding the right heads, he decided he wanted a 461 Pontiac Stroker. We agree that was a better choice, and it's our latest engine of the week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by PennGrade. Precision, performance, PennGrade. Always the original green oil. Elring DOS Original. Leading technology, leading service. And Scat Crankshafts. Everything for your LS engine.
Hey everyone, I'm RJ Polk for Engine Builder, and today we're giving you the details of a 461 Pontiac Stroker engine built by Engine Rebuilder and Supply. According to Andy, the 461 was originally 400 cubic inches, but the shop got a different stroke crank and opted to use a tri-power setup. Once the engine is done, it will be going in the customer's 1965 GTO. Here's Andy to tell you more.
We, bored it, line honed it, decked it, put all ARP fasteners in it. Put a comp cam, roller cam, and roller lifters, Scat rotating assembly, with J&E pistons, forge rotating assembly, everything was forged. Edelbrock aluminum heads on it. Bearings we use King performance bearings.
Engine Rebuilders and Supply has done its fair share of these engines before, and as expected, things went smoothly on this build too. According to Frontzak, this 461 Pontiac Stroker put out around 480 horsepower and right under 500 foot-pounds of torque with a compression ratio of 9.8 to 1. This 65 GTO will now be one streetcar drawing some serious attention. Well, that does it for this episode of Engine of the Week. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to click the bell to get all of our updates. And if you have an engine you'd like to feature, please email our editor, Greg Jones, at gjones@babcox.com. Thanks for watching.